Alright you all, today I'm going to be showing you all how I make a natural cough syrup for my children. So here I have 2 key limes. I'm going to squeeze them into this bowl. 2 whole key limes, I have them cut in half. The key lime is going to help with congestion. I got 2 more. Normally, when one person is sick, I have everyone taking this natural remedy. So, this one didn't even have that much juice in it. Anyway, that's fine. So I'm just gonna scoop out the seeds. I chose key limes because they have the seeds in it. They're very potent, they're potent. Okay. So we got key limes, and then I'm gonna dust a little cayenne pepper in there. Just keeping in mind the amount. Just keep in mind who you're making this cough syrup for. Oh dang. Okay, so that's not that much. Just looked like it the way how it came out. Now if y'all could see, I have to tilt the camera down. That's what it looks like. All right. And then, if it is too spicy, spicy is good actually. So that's cayenne pepper, and then I'm gonna add in some agave to soothe the cough. Cayenne pepper is gonna help with the inflammation to get rid of the cough. The key lime is going to help with decongestion, and the agave is to soothe. I just taste it and it tastes great. It actually does not taste spicy at all. Because I'm using organic cayenne pepper, you can like see the flecks of cayenne pepper in the bowl. Let me show y'all how it looks. Where's the camera? Okay, here we go. It's it right there. Come, Zoe. Come drink your cough syrup. So again, the 3 ingredients I use that you can find at any grocery store: key limes, or regular limes if you don't find key limes, cayenne pepper, and agave. All right, so you're gonna get the first sip. Come, Zoe, your turn.
Hi. Baby.
Come, drink your cough syrup. Good job. Good sip. Tastes good, huh? Another sip. One more sip. One more sip. It's okay. One more sip. It tastes good. She's licking her lips. 1, 2, 3, ah. Oh, you need some? Okay, so that's the cayenne pepper flake she's feeling. Ah, good. We got that one to go straight down your throat. So it's not gonna be too much of a shock on your taste buds. Okay, she needs some water now. But yeah, I'm gonna drink the rest of this.
How, Mama?
Need some water, yeah. One more? I should have gave you the rest then. You were willing to drink it.
I want more.
You want more?
I don't know.
We'll give you more in about an hour. All right. Hope that helps someone. Bye.